Hello there, and welcome to the Christmas... Merry Christmas, and welcome to the show. Here we go, what we got on the show tonight? Stuff and doings and music and things, because we sounds like Barnsley, and we play music and stuff like that. So I'm going to play some music from Barnsley College HE, because that's where I work and that's where the good stuff happens. Music, games design, film, art, all that stuff and other stuff. But let's have some of those things now. Here's some music from our music students and they're dead good. Well, that was a mega mix, wasn't it? And now, moving on, is Frank Grimes and the Disasters with their Christmassy kind of song that they was kindly donating to us with a positive message. Enjoy. Every year, I try and introduce Inflected Flinch from behind a tree, because he does games and stuff, and we like games design, because our games design students did this.
Here I am with infected Flinch and his Christmas message. Merry if you don't mind.
Well, that was good, wasn't it? And now on with some more Christmassy stuff like this.
Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. Settle down and let me tell you my favourite part about Christmas. My favourite thing about Christmas is all the giving. Especially when you put lots of thought into your gifts and you really touch your friends. I hope you get to touch all of your friends this Christmas. In fact, I'm going to try and touch you right now. Here's my gift to you.
I was wrapping presents, watching Jingle all the way. Then I felt someone's presence. The clock said it was Christmas Day, and I closed my eyes, pretended to sleep. I've been touched by Santa Claus. I've been touched by Santa Claus. I've been touched by Santa Claus while the reindeers waited outside. I was making Christmas dinner, watching Jingle all the way. I tried this year to not be a sinner, so that Santa will come my way. And I closed my eyes, waiting for Santa's big surprise. I've been touched by Santa Claus. I've been touched by Santa Claus. I've been touched by Santa Claus while the reindeer waited outside. I decorated the Christmas tree, watching Jingle all the way. I felt a package beside of me. It's what I always wanted. A DVD copy of Jingle all the way, all the way, all the way. I close my eyes, waiting for a Turbo Man surprise. I've been touched by Santa Claus. I've been touched by Santa Claus. I've been touched by Santa Claus while the reindeer waited outside. Hi guys!
Hey Kurt! Hey up!
Thanks for coming to my Christmas
Yeah,
party.
thanks for inviting us.
Your favourite film on?
What's that?
It's Jingle All the Way!
Oh, great! Well, that's Santa running outside your house.
Yeah, we've been pulling each other's crackers.
Jeez, that sounds like fun!
I had a party with my friends.
Watching Jingle all the way.
We gave each other presents.
Watching Jingle all the way.
We all felt nice and warm inside.
Watching Jingle all the way.
It was snowing outside, but we were fine.
Watching Jingle all the way.
All the way, all the way, all the way. All the way, all the way, all the way.
Well, that's about it from us here at SHQ and the old part-time productions thing malarkey like. It's been another one, and if you're still watching, this is now going to be some Skinboat doing Slay on Me, which is a bit like Take on Me, but with a Christmassy nuttery edge like. So my phone's going now, so cheers Lou.
Smiles, everybody! Smiles!
Well, is there anything else really to say? No, that's about it really. I'd just like to thank you all for watching. And until next year, Skaba!
Yes, it's on. You might remember me from something called Santa's Greatest Hits. Now, don't mind this at the minute. I'm just in the middle of a cheeky little shave and that. Look at that festive little tree. Do you know what I mean? Got to be all upper class and shit. Anyway, I've been back on Skinboat a few years ago now, and, you know, Mr. Glenn of Sutton didn't give me my little ego that I needed back then. So what I did since was to promote the album. I went on that little social media thing called Twitter. You know, all the A-list celebrities are on it. You know, Sunita, you know, Hey Macho, you know, Ainsley Harriott and all that. But anyway, let's see what cheeky little comments people will be leaving. I bet they're fantastic. Let's have a look. Santa, you're well, you're man-whore noob. Who the says that to Santa of all people? Who the are you? Let's have a look at the other one, shall we? Let's have a look. Santa, you've got enough talent to last a snail trail. You crafty, you, aren't you? Did take you ages to do that, did it? You what? Santa, no one's gonna buy your album. It's all about the bar law. Take that, greatest album with a blue tick. That's a real what the is that? You know these all. This is Santa's Greatest Hits. The moment is here. Buy it now, please.